Jetro Escoto. Forward number 18, Ed Dakiwag. Two-guard number 20, Jomel. At center number 15 from Angono, Flex Apreku. Forward number 12, Vince.
Hindi na Pasay lang ngayon ng Pink.
Oo nga, no?
Sa season na to. Dalawa na sila.
Nagtapat na bang pase at may kawayan? Hindi pa yata. Magandang observation yan. Marikina wins the tip though. Naiwanan nilang libre si Ed Dakiwag who knocks down that long two-pointer.
You cannot leave Ed Dakiwag that open. Talagang he could convert that basket.
Put on the line though, so just a two-point field goal. Very noticeable for Marikina. Birang-bira nila gawin ito. Coach Vic, they're playing with two point guards in Jomel Landayan and Jetro Escoto. Vince Tolentino left wide open down low. De La Vergen leaning in, wala. AJ Miranda, jumper over Renzo Navarro is good.
Lista mo na.
Timaho from the corner from 3, wala. Navarro, no look pass sa ilalim. Havillonar will score.
Good extra pass there by Navarro.
Patrick Ramos bothering him. Miranda comes away with a steal. Derecho, 2 points plus the foul. Fast break of the game brought to you by Sports Plus, the official sportsbook of the MPBL. Kapisisaya mo, Dabdi Cristobal. Ay, mahirap habulin yan si HM Miranda. Jonathan Medina. Havillonar off the dribble. Lays it in. Got a free lane to the basket.
Akala nila mag-extra pass ulit si Jeff Havillonar. He loves making those extra passes. So the lane was open for him.
Pasturan, step back, those long strides, and hits the free over Jeff Havillonar. Lino Gutierrez ng Mabini, Tanawan City. 2 minutes gone by in the second quarter. Sumalaksak sa loob si Ace Tiamson. He scores.
Ang linis ng atake na yun ni Yamson. He knows he could attack his defender.
Derek Serrano gives it up to Robbie Naive. The pull-up, Pasturan, can't get it to go. Patrick Ramos, 4 na segundo sa kanilang shot clock. Escoto intercepting that pass. Inside they go. Ace Samson will score his second field goal of the ball game. Laban sa Marikina.
Nag-react ang there, we could see the steal of Escoto in an easy conversion for them. Nag-react yung bench.
Labanza, poste na naman. Help defense comes. RR forced to take a tough shot. He makes it anyway over MJ De La Vergen.
Good execution by the Marikina Shoemasters after that foiled attempt in the post. Good kick-out pass for the Marikina Shoemasters.
MJ pull up, gets the friendly bounce. Escoto. Nakawala kay MJ De La Vergen. He lays it in over Felix Apreco.
I was saying a while ago, Escoto really doing the difference here for the Marikina Shoemasters.
Under 3 minutes to go, bumagsak si Escoto. De La Vergen launches the free. No good. Apreco, the follow-up.
Pinakamagandang ginagawa na kahit saan siya mapunta, offensive rebounding.
Forte niya talaga yan.
Forte talaga eh. Nose on the ball eh. Talaga alam niya where the ball will bounce.
Escoto. Pocket pass. Havillonar. Counted plus a foul.
Marikina Shoemasters. They're only down by 4 in this quarter.
Patience from Escoto.
They're on their way in where they want to be. Ken and Coach Vic.
Maraming salamat, Daphne. And yun naman, no? You take everything. Game the game brought to you by Sports Plus, the official sportsbook of the MPBL.
That was a good shot there by Escoto. Kasi nang bumalik.
Drives. Jump shot won't work. Naive secures it. Escoto though able to read the passing lanes again. At lawang ng Marikina with a basket.
And the guy, Escoto again, doing wonders for this Marikina basketball team.
Apreku. Tolentino swings it to MJ De La Virgen. Bumaksak si Patrick Ramos. High off the glass and in.
Good attack there for Patrick Ramos.
Naive bounce backs to Patrick Ramos. Nasalo sa ilalim ni Apreku. De La Virgen leaning in. Count it plus the foul.
There's the pass, the fake. Ganda.
May kawayan. 14 points for MJ. Naive sidesteps into a free. He knocks it down. 13 points. 3-point shot. Hatid sa atin yan na Extreme ang subok. At kumpletong appliance brand ng Pilipinas.
This three-man combination of
Skipping it to MJ De La Virgen. Cortesa off the bounce. Gets it off the glass and in. Only has 7 points in this quarter. Stolen though. Pasajeros will lay it in for 2. Sticking with him. 6 seconds left. Vigil pumersa sa loob. He got it in. Plus a foul. To you by Sports Plus, the official sportsbook of the MPBL.
good cut there, recognition. Good cut by Louis Vigil and good recognition.
To create this separation. Oh, the hang time move from Ace Tiamson to open up the fourth.
Good start here by the Marikina Shoemasters, the fourth quarter.
Miranda. Pasa sa kabila. Pasturan. High arcing free. He knocks it down.
Yun yung bawi ni Pastoran doon sa kaninang.
Jim. Runner. Off the glass and in.
That's a good read by AJ Miranda. Seeing that he was open going to the basket. Pero binawi ka agad ng Marikina Shoemasters yun.
Jonathan Medina makes up for his couple of misses from the outside. Ramos, nakawala. Alabanza may have gotten a piece of that one. Miranda wants a screen from Jason Strait. Ajim stepping back. Pasturan, catch and shoot. Buries the trifecta from the left wing. 11 points for Jimboy Pasturan.
Credit that shot by Pastoran with AJ Miranda.
ManiPay is the digital wallet built for the community. Turnaround shot, no good. Vigil there to clean it up. Ace Tiamson.
Ngayon naman, they could match up eh.
Oo. Casajeros lumusot, gumapang palabas yung bola. Tiamson got it back, forcing his way up and in. Delikado yan, nakakuha at naagaw ni Jason Strait. Miranda, dire-diretso for 2. AJ Miranda, 15 points, 4 assists, and 2 steals. Makasagot naman ng 3 si RR Casajeros. Pero yun, dalawang sunod galing sa Marikina, prompting a timeout. Fast break of the game brought to you by Sports Plus, the official sportsbook of the MPBL. Steal by Jason Strait and straight to the cup. Bola nakuha ni Avillonar. Louis Vigil jackknifes his way to the cup. Baba sa 12. Vigil thought he got fouled. Put up that shot. Miranda off to the races. Drops it off. Pasturan will lay it in. Brought to you by Sports Plus, the official sportsbook of the MPBL.
There's the pass of AJ Miranda. Pastoran.
Jimboy cutting off his driving angles but nakahanap ng puwang si Escoto pero he throws it away. Miranda with a steal. Ajem switching hands, crossover, gets it to drop. Ajem Miranda has taken over for May Kawayan.
There's no stopping AJ Miranda in this quarter in this ball game.
17 markers for Ajem Miranda. Vigil tries another free. No, it's a long two. Nakawala kay RR Casajeros. Corteza. Mintis yung tres. Aprecu gobbles up his 14th rebound. One-hander, Corteza. Lista mo na yan. Ajem. Crossover dribble, leaving Ubaldo in the dust. He lays it in. What a move from Ajem Miranda.
Grabe yung linaro niya dito. Kanina pa, when this game was starting, he was in foul trouble. Ang aga niyang nagkaroon ng 2 fouls eh. This is the first quarter. Medyo nailabas ka agad siya ng coach niya.
Villenard, dinukot sa kabila. Switch by Villenard. Last 2 minutes brought to you by Sports Plus, the official sportsbook of the MPBL. Pero ramdam mo yung comfort level niya na naglalaro para sa May Kawayan. And you also talked about pareho yung 5 panalo. With this win, May Kawayan will improve to 6 wins against 3 losses, picking up their 4th straight victory. Nicky Corteza, for good measure.
Number 4 and 5, parehong maganda panoorin yun. Especially, halos pareho ng kulay yung uniform nila.
Oo nga, no? Napasok mo pa. Hindi, ang Pasay, tama, hindi, number 4 sila eh.
Oh,
Tama.
number 4, tapos number 5.
They could have a better place in the team standings if they continue this impressive run that they're currently on to.